Get ready, tech lovers, because Samsung is about to rewrite the rules of foldable technology once again. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another smartphone. It's the next evolution of mobile design, a device that takes every limitation of past foldables and turns it into a strength. After years of innovation, refinement, and fierce competition, Samsung has finally reached the point where the foldable dream feels truly complete. This isn't just a device that folds, it's the ultimate fusion of power, precision, and practicality. So buckle up, because the Fold 8 might just be the biggest leap in smartphone history. Samsung's foldable comeback. Stronger than ever. Let's face it, Samsung has always led the foldable race, but it hasn't always been a flawless journey. The first few folds were bold but bulky, futuristic but fragile. Many tech fans, even loyal Samsung users, felt foldables were more of a concept than a reliable flagship, but that era is over. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 represents Samsung's most confident comeback yet, a device that fixes every major complaint and builds on the lessons from the Fold 6 and Fold 7. It's thinner, lighter, smarter, and so refined that it finally feels like a true flagship, not an experiment. And here's the best part. It's not just an upgrade. It's Samsung's statement to the world. We are still the kings of innovation. Pressure from China, the catalyst for change. It's no secret that Chinese brands like Honor, Huawei, and Oppo have been pushing the foldable game to new levels. Ultra-slim bodies, edge-to-edge displays, and surprisingly affordable prices. Samsung took notice. The Fold 8 is the result of that pressure, a product designed not only to compete but to dominate. From its cutting-edge design to its AI-driven optimization, the Fold 8 shows Samsung's determination to stay years ahead of its rivals once again. From cumbersome to cutting-edge, remember when early foldables felt like carrying a small brick? Those days are officially over. Samsung's engineers have reworked the hinge, refined the chassis, and reduced overall weight, making the Fold 8 not just more compact, but more elegant than ever before. The balance between portability and performance has finally been perfected. When you hold it, it won't feel like a prototype. It'll feel like the future. Next level performance and battery power now. Let's talk about performance, the true heart of this beast. The Fold 8 is rumored to pack a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on an ultra-efficient 2nm process. That means cooler operation, smoother multitasking, and insane power efficiency, perfect for gaming, productivity, and content creation. And yes, that 5,000 mAh massive battery is finally here. It's not just bigger. It's smarter, using AI-based power management that adapts to your usage habits, saving energy where it matters most. Fast charging, better endurance, and all-day performance. This is Samsung finally solving the foldable battery problem once and for all. The return of the S Pen, a game-changer, yes. The rumors are true. The S Pen is coming back to the Fold series. After being absent from the Fold 7, Samsung is reintroducing stylus support, and this time, it's better than ever. Two versions are expected: a battery-free S Pen that works seamlessly without needing charging, and a pro-grade stylus with enhanced sensitivity for creative tasks. Whether you're sketching, annotating, or editing videos, the Fold 8 could become your new portable creative studio, a true productivity powerhouse. Display revolution. The crease is gone. Samsung has reportedly developed a new laser-grilled metal plate system beneath the screen, dramatically reducing the crease, possibly making it almost invisible. That's right. The biggest visual flaw of foldables might finally be gone. The Fold 8's display could look completely seamless, offering an uninterrupted, premium viewing experience. Watching Netflix, editing photos, or gaming on this screen will feel more natural than ever. A true tablet experience in your pocket. Even Apple is rumored to be exploring similar display technology for its first foldable iPhone. But once again, Samsung is a step ahead. Two new designs, Fold 8 and Fold 8 Pro, for the first time. Samsung is giving fans a choice. According to leaks, we'll see two models: the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Classic, keeping the familiar tall form factor, and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Pro, with a wider 18:8 aspect ratio, ideal for multitasking and immersive content. This move shows Samsung's commitment to user choice. One device for professionals, one for entertainment lovers. Both variants are expected to launch globally, marking a major shift from region-exclusive releases in the past. Samsung versus Apple. The foldable war begins. The Fold 8's timing is no coincidence. With Apple's first foldable iPhone rumored for 2026, Samsung is setting the stage early, planting its flag before Apple even arrives. By refining the software, improving durability, and leading with Galaxy AI integration, Samsung is ensuring it remains the benchmark for all foldable tech. When Apple enters the scene, it'll be stepping into a race that Samsung has already mastered. Launch timeline. Delayed for perfection reports suggest the Fold 8 might be unveiled in August 2026, slightly later than expected. But here's the thing, this isn't a delay of failure. It's a delay of perfection. Samsung is taking extra time to fine-tune the One UI 8.5 for foldables, optimize the AI experience, and make sure this device launches with zero compromises. If the Galaxy S26 Ultra and Fold 8 launch side by side, we could witness the most powerful Samsung lineup in history. Final verdict, the foldable era has arrived. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another smartphone. It's the moment foldables finally go mainstream. With its sleek new design, nearly invisible crease, massive battery, and full S Pen support, Samsung is proving once again that innovation is in its DNA. This phone isn't trying to replace your current device. It's trying to redefine what a smartphone can be. The future of mobile technology is flexible, smart, and designed around you, and the Fold 8 is leading that revolution. After years of refinement, Samsung has cracked the foldable code, giving us a phone that's thinner, lighter, and nearly crease-free. Reports say it's packing a 5,000 mAh battery, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, and yes, S Pen support is finally back. The display, stunning.
The performance?
Next level. And the design? Easily Samsung's best foldable yet. If these leaks are true, the Z Fold 8 isn't just a phone. It's the future of smartphones unfolding right in your hand. So, what do you think? Has Samsung finally perfected the foldable formula? Would you switch to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 when it drops? Let us know your thoughts down below. This move shows Samsung's commitment to user choice. One device for professionals, one for entertainment lovers. Both variants are expected to launch globally, marking a major shift from region-exclusive releases in the past. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge tech insights, smartphone leaks, and gadget reviews, only on Trove. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.